This video will highlight how quick it is to deploy a Morpheus appliance and realize the quick time to value. We have a deployed Linux machine. We'll download and install the Morpheus package from the Morpheus hub. We'll install it. We'll actually configure the Morpheus instance from the UI. We'll actually go ahead and create a cloud account inside of Morpheus. And now that we have our cloud account, we're able to actually provision to that cloud. So we'll go ahead and provision 2 instances to AWS, and we'll show them in AWS that they've been deployed as well. Let's get started with the installation. So here you can see we've downloaded the installation package. We ran the RPM to install this. Obviously this is on a Red Hat server. And then we run the reconfigure command, which will deploy and configure all the components for the Morpheus appliance. Really, the reason why I wanted to show you this is because I wanted to highlight the quick time to value that Morpheus provides. The install is very quick. The setup is very simple. You're going to get an out-of-the-box self-service catalog, and you're very quickly going to be able to deploy from Morpheus. So here you can see in under 12 minutes or so, we're done. Here we actually move to the UI. We create the master tenant. We create our first user, our administrator user for our environment, John Smith here. And then from there, we actually are able to move into the appliance. So we have our URL. We go to the appliance. The first thing we want to do is assign the license. So we'll go to the Morpheus hub, grab our license, come back and paste it in. We'll apply that. Here it is. The license is good to go. And now the next step really is to set up an initial cloud and a group. So we'll create a cloud. In my case, I want to deploy to AWS. So I'm creating an AWS cloud. I'll provide the information relevant to that cloud and to my account and the region I want to currently deploy to. And then after that, what I can do is I'll create the group. So here we create a group. I just called it public cloud. It's associated with that cloud account that I just created. And voila, we're ready to deploy. Now from the self-service catalog, we can select the image we want to deploy, go in, provide some details, and go ahead and actually provision. And here we can see our very first instance now provisioning to AWS. We're going to actually go ahead and provision a second instance here. So in this case, it's a CentOS machine. Again, provide information, go ahead and deploy this. And again, now we have our second instance and our first instance both deploying. I'll switch over to AWS, and you can see that they're actually now deployed into my AWS account. This all took place very, very quickly in less than an hour.